Alright, man, so you see we is back at the crib right now. As you see behind me, we do have some boxes, and by the time of the video or the thumbnail, you see these is like the essentials for your clothing brand, or to run a clothing brand. I'm finna get on my clothing brand page on TikTok, and I'm finna go ahead and like record this and be like, you feel me? I'm gonna say something like, the essentials that you need for your clothing brand, or something like that. You feel me? Something short that get their attention, and just showing them stuff. So as I'm doing this video, I'm also finna be doing the TikTok, and yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get the thumbnail, and we finna go ahead and open it. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and yeah, 200 pack on the way. Alright, man, so as you see, I do have a few boxes on my bed right now. And in each of these individual boxes are the essential things that you need to run a successful clothing brand. So stay to the end, stay tuned, and I'm gonna open up each of these boxes, and I'm gonna show you all what y'all need. So that's the first part of my TikTok. Now, let's go ahead. Let's get on with the first box. All right, man. So for the first box, we probably gonna do this one. I don't know what it is. Do y'all want me to show y'all what I got? Y'all go see. Cause I don't know what's what right now. So yeah. So these are the cards, like my business cards. So yeah. These are the business cards, as you can see. So yeah, and on the back, it does have a 15% off for your next purchase. So yeah, so that's the first box. So the first box was this, and it was business cards. So let me go ahead and get that on TikTok. Alright, man, so the first thing that we got is from Canva, and it's just some business cards with something on the front, or in the back. In the front, it got a 15% off when you shop with us, man. Make sure you go check out that. Yeah, man, let's get to the next box. Alright, man, so like I said, that was the first box. These are very important, so we just gonna trip these up. So, first box. The second thing we gonna open is this box right here. I don't like to turn like that. We gonna open up this box. Alright, man, so in this box we do have sizing labels all the way up to extra large, extra large. So you don't have to do that, but I got extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, extra large, extra large, extra large. So yeah, man, like I said, man, let's go ahead, let's get this on the TikTok. I'm not gonna get this close because I know it's cutting me out, so I'm not gonna get that close, but that is what we got inside the second box, which was this Amazon box. So yeah, let me go ahead, you feel me, get this on camera on my what you call it. So yeah. Alright, man, so in the second box, what we do have right here is sizing labels for our packages. So yeah, this is a little something. Let's get to the next one. Alright, man, so that was sizing labels. Now let's go ahead and let's get to this one. This one kind of heavy too. Let's get into this one. Alright, now, man, this one is a big one. So essentially what this is, I don't really know what this is. I think these are clear poly bags, to be honest. This is a scale. This is the label printer. Oh, my bad. This is the label printer. This is the white background. And this is the black background. So, yeah, I'm finna go ahead and lay these back inside here. I'm finna go ahead and unbox that for the TikTok. So, yeah, y'all saw it. So that's all that matters. So yeah, man, let me go ahead and get this on TikTok. So yeah, you feel me? You gotta cross brand everything, bro. All right, man. So this was a big, heavy box, but right here, as you see, we do have a scale, a digital scale. As you see right here, that is what we got. So boom, that's the first thing. Second thing, we do have a thermal label printer. As you see right here, this is the one that I have if y'all want to go get it. Then right here, I believe these are the clear polys for just for some clothes, you know. Then we have a white backdrop, as well we have a black backdrop. Let's get to the next box. I swear I be talking like I'm slow, but really get to the next box. So for this one, this is right here. I'm just gonna get into this one. We can get into this one. Well, anyways, right here, I'm not even gonna take all this out. I'm just do that for the TikTok, but I'm showing y'all the TikTok that I'm showing y'all the stuff. But anyways, this is essentially just a light, like a brighter light for the backdrop, so the clothes can have shine up on them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this on TikTok. Hey man, I ain't even gonna take this out the box, but as you see right here, we do have a LED softbox for the backdrops right here, so they can make the clothes pop really at you. So that is what's inside this box. So yeah, now, I know one of these boxes is a coat, like a hanging rack, and I believe that's what this big one, that big long one is right here. Because as you hear, you just heard the middle clink. So I really don't know what this is. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay. As you see right here, this is from UPS, and these are the label. These are label printers, like 4x6 label printers, or label prints. So yeah, as you see right there, they are label prints. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this on TikTok. Alright, man, let me go ahead and cover this up. But as you see right here, this is from UPS, and these are labels. So as you see, these is the labels for my thermal printer. If y'all want to know how to get these for free, man, go ahead, leave down in the comments down below. I got y'all. But you know, these is for my thermal label printer. My thermal label printer. We're on to the last two boxes, but I essentially already know what's inside these boxes. This motherfucker heavy right here, I swear to God, bro. How many pounds is this, bro? I don't know, but this motherfucker, like, I can get a workout in with this for real. But anyways, let's see what this is. Oh. I don't know what those are, but I think those are label printers too. But these are the real like label printers, as you can see right here. All right, man. So this is like the last box, but these ones are really big. Like as you see, like they covering up the whole box right here. So these are the other label printers from UPS, as you see is right there. Tap in if y'all want me to teach y'all how to do these. So let's get into the last box. But I already know what the last box is, but just say something. Feel me? You gotta add that suspense around everything. So yeah, so these is the label prints. So yeah. And last but not least, we finna open up this. But like I said, we already know what it is. So yeah. Y'all might not be able to see this. Let me tilt it down a little bit more. Alright, man. So right here is the coat hanging rack. So as you see right here, I just got a little coat, a little hanging rack for my clothes. So yeah. So let me go get this on the TikTok, and that's probably gonna end the YouTube video, to be honest. So yeah, but I'm gonna record me doing this right quick. So yeah. All right, man. So last but not least, what? All right, man. Last but not least, we do have a clothing rack. It says a garment rack right here, as you see. We've had to put this together, but you already know that's not a problem. But yeah, man, that's the end of the TikTok. Those are my essentials of what you need for your clothing brand. You need your little rack. You feel me? You need your LED light. You need your a label printer. You need some labels, some business cards with some percent off. You feel me? You need your lot. Backdrops. You need all of that. But like I said, man, stay tuned. The brand Instagram is inside the bio. So yeah, man, you're welcome. You're welcome. But we're going to post that tomorrow. But anyways, though, like I said, man, it's your boy Josh. I'm going to go ahead and put all these together. I'm going to put everything up. And next video, y'all probably going to see everything. So, yeah. But that is essentially me unboxing everything for my brand haul. So, clothing brand unboxing. Clothing brand Amazon unboxing haul. Ooh. Yeah, man. Hey, man, I fuck with y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching this, man. Like I said, 200 pack on the way. We is currently at, hold on, let me see. Let me see where we at right now. We at 154, right? Cool. But this last video right here is actually doing straight. It's at 493 right now. This is back my $1,000 Kohler brand samples. These next samples that I got coming in, I got some tees coming in, some sleeveless tees, and I got some hoodies. Hey bro. But like I said, I'll catch y'all in the next video. So it'll be a shopping video. Stay tuned for the shopping video, man. We're finna go drop a bag. I got some shoes over here too. Finna do a little I'm gonna do a shoe collection for y'all. Actually, that's gonna be one of the next videos too. But like I said, man, stay safe, stay smooth. Catch y'all next video. I'm out.